Good morning. My name is Shawn Pigg, and thank you for visiting my channel. So this video today is embracing failure as a learning tool. Embracing failure is a learning tool which involves many steps, and we're going to kind of go through the steps that I feel that are the most important things to embrace failure. The first thing is acknowledge the failure. Recognize that this failure is a natural part of growth, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. But the most important thing to do is avoid denial or blame on yourself. That could be the death of your goals and your visions. You also want to reflect on the experience. So take time, analyze what went wrong. Consider what factors contributed to the failure and what could have been done more differently, and write those factors down. Then extract lessons that you learn. Identify specific lessons from this experience and ask yourself, what knowledge or skills did you just gain? And how can you apply those in the future to prevent this type of failure again? Reframe the failure. Shift your perspective, your mindset to view the failure as an opportunity rather than a setback. So you can, fail and then never try again, or you can fail, learn, and execute again in a different manner. So understand that each failure brings you closer to your success. And then set new goals. So you have to prepare, be flexible when goal setting. If you did something and you failed, and then you analyzed your failures, you extracted the lessons from it, then you created a new plan and you executed a plan, you're going to have to set new goals along this venture. So use the insights that you gain through your failure to set new and more informed goals. So plan your next steps with the knowledge that you just acquired from that failure and that failing experience. Take action and implement changes. So apply those lessons learned into your future actions. Hey, I know this did not work, XYZ, so now I'm going to go ABC. But I'm also going to power that by XYZ is what I learned. So you want to apply those lessons to your future actions. Make necessary adjustments to approach based on your reflections. That's why it's important to stay flexible. Cultivate resilience. So you're going to build mental resilience by understand that failures are temporary and they do not define your ability or your worth or your progress. It doesn't define anything. It defines that you're trying and you're attempting, okay? So take those failures, once again, reapply them in a different direction, set new goals, and then cultivate your resilience. Now seek support and feedback. Discuss your experience with mentors, peers, or professionals who can offer you additional perspectives and constructive feedback. Keep in mind, constructive feedback is parallel to your success in business. It's something you have to have, constructive feedback. Celebrate your progress, not just the success, because we're talking about failure right now. So you're going to recognize your growth and your improvements. Now, even if they come from overcoming failures, you got to celebrate the progress made through learning. You always have to reward yourself. You always have to celebrate, and you always have to give yourself self-affirmations along the journey of any venture or journey that you're on. This could be spiritual. This could be business. This could be relationship-wise. This could be whatever you need, whatever you're doing in life. You can apply these steps here to help you embrace failure as a learning tool and help you get to success and find success more quicker than if you did not have these particular tools with you. Now, of course, then repeat the process. Continuously apply this cycle of learning from failures that you encountered along your journey and the new challenges you acquired to help you foster your mindset of growth and resilience. That's very important as well. So just to recap real quick, acknowledge your failure, reflect on your experience, extract your lessons learned, reframe the failure, set new goals, take actions and implement the changes that you learned, cultivate your resilience, seek support and feedback, and celebrate your progress, not just the success. And last but not least, repeat the process. I hope this video helped you. I ask you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on all my social media channels. And if you have any questions, I'd love to get your feedback. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.